Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's your boy EJ here, and I'm doing an ASOS haul. Some of my favourite autumn pieces for 2018, obviously 2019 because we're in there right now. Check it out guys. So guys, this jacket, lovely snake print jacket from ASOS. Probably one of my favourite jackets of 2018, 2019. Nice and puffery, keeps me nice and warm, stylish as well. Obviously got a turtleneck on again, with the lovely trousers and the Adidas on the queen, so style it off. Bow, 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 if you know what I mean. Alright guys, so this jacket here, LaQuan Smith, ASOS collaboration. Can't lie, I'm feeling this parka camouflage print. Nice and, what I like to say, nice and wavy. Obviously you've got the fur on the top right here. Obviously it's complimentary with the ASOS beanie hat. Obviously you need it in the winter, especially if you're in London right now and it's snowing. Mad. Obviously the footwear that I'm wearing to go with it is the Alexander McQueen's. That was my baby girl in the background. Obviously Noah's got a feature, you know how it goes. And also got a nice turtleneck and some nice obviously baggy trousers just to complement the outfit in total. That's my baby girl again. So guys, this next piece, again from ASOS, lovely leather jacket with a stud going down the sides. Obviously the lapels right there, nice and studded. Feel like a real biker boy. But obviously the panels there at the back. Really feeling this one from ASOS, especially trying to do that smart casual look. ASOS got me nice and covered, definitely one of my recommendations. That's Nova in the background, that's how it goes when you're a daddy. Can't complain, it is what it is. But yeah guys, obviously, slow styling, got a nice turtleneck, some jeans and the McQueen's on again, can never go wrong, trust me.